In this video, I'm going to show how you can easily hide your friends list. On Facebook, be sure to watch the video to the very end, so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's begin, and there are star. Open up Facebook app, then go to menu. Then hit add gear icon to open up settings. Then search for privacy in that way. Then hit on privacy from that please. And you will be taken to this page, where you should scroll all the way down until you find who can see your friends list. Just tap on it, and that's where you can hide your friends list. To do that, first of all, hit add more, and then check mark on the meme. And from now on, your friends list will be visible just for you. Now you can write down in the comments if you have any questions about that tutorial. And also, I recommend you to check out my Facebook tutorial playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.